Hi guys, my name is Josh Burry. I'm here today to help you name Roman numeral ionic compounds. So first we're going to start with mercury oxide. Now I kind of just gave it away what it is, but I'm still going to go through it as to what it is. So you're giving H2 mercury O oxide. So for a fact, you know that Hg is transition metal. So you know that's going to be coinciding with O. Next step is to know where O is corresponding to the periodic table to find its charge. So you know overall, once looking at the periodic table, that O is going to be a charge of -2. So I like to just write -2 right here. And then because there's two of these have to cancel each other out. So you know for a fact it's going to be +1. So from then, you can name the compound. So first we're going to start with the actual name of the element, so mercury obviously. And then you're going to write the Roman numeral. The Roman numeral for this case is going to be 1 because there needs to be 2 of them. There obviously is 2 in order to cancel out the -2 charge of the oxide. So we're going to write 1. We'll go over further on as we get further on as to different Roman numerals that you can write. The second part, if you look to the first video, will just be oxygen, but take off the gin and add ide. So oxide. All right, the next one is TiCl4. For this one, Ti, titanium, we can just write that as it is. And there's only one of the titaniums. Chloride, we know from looking at the periodic table, that has a charge of -1, and there's 4 of these. So overall, the charge is going to be -4, but there's only one titanium. So from that, we know the titanium's charge has to be 4, so that's what we write in. Roman numeral 4 is just IV. You're going to have to memorize these in order to write these ionic compounds. And then for the next part, we just simply do what we did for the first one, chloride. All right, now we're going to go reverse. Mercury oxide with a transition metal charge of 2. So this is a little different. You're going from the names to the actual compounds. So for this one, we know mercury's symbol is Hg. So what I like to do is just first write out what I know. So Hg and O, without even looking at this. So I put the O here and the Hg here. So we already know O is going to be charged -2. So -2 has to be canceled out by this. And because we know Hg is obviously 2, it's fine the way it is actually. All right, next one, chromium sulfide. So just like we did this one, I'm going to write out the symbols first. That's nice. So we obviously know sulfide is, well, the chromium is going to have a charge of 6. And sulfide, as looking on the periodic table, you can tell is -2. So in order for this to cancel out, we have to have a charge equal to this one, a negative and a positive. So because this is a charge of 6, we're going to have to multiply this one by 3. So we're actually going to put 3 here. Because this is +6, and 3 times -2 will be -6. So that one's good. All right, guys, that's basically it. Just make sure to study your Roman numerals. Thanks.